Meet the TYPHON Fury 15, a compact road roller built to turn rough surfaces into clean professional results. The compact body makes it easy to navigate around narrow driveways, parking areas, pathways, and busy construction zones. With the vibration activated, the roller works deeper into the surface, helping tighten loose material and create a firm, even foundation. The operator remains in full control while steering, changing direction, managing the water spray, and adjusting the machine for each section of the job. Every pass is designed to improve surface quality, reduce uneven areas, and help prepare the site for long-lasting performance. Compact, dependable, and easy to operate, the TYPHON Fury 15 is ready to keep your compaction work moving forward.